Now let's solve the problem. Sin A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. LHS is sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. Now, let's rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. That is sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. Since we are rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply 1 minus cos A to the numerator and to the denominator. Okay? Then it will become sin A into 1 minus cos A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now observe this one. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So we can apply the formula. That is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Right? Here we have 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A. In the place of A, we have 1. And in the place of B, we have cos A. Therefore, A square is 1 square minus B square. It will become cos square A. 1 square, I can write it as 1. Right? Cos square A. Okay? Now let me write this sin A into 1 minus cos A as it is. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. See here, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos square A. So this one I will write it as 1 minus cos square A. Okay? Now let me write the numerator as it is. That is sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by, see here we have another formula in trigonometry, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1. This plus cos square A, it will go this side and it will become minus cos square A. That is sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Therefore, this 1 minus cos square A, I can write it as sin square A. Okay? Now look at this. Sin A into 1 minus cos A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by sin square A. Sin square A means sin A it is present 2 times. So let me write 2 times sin A into sin A. Okay. Now this sin A and this sin A it will get cancelled. Okay. Then what is left? 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. Okay. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.